roasting you with that laugh. You know how it is. Oh, you haven't broken me again, have you?
No, I haven't.
Today, I'm at an apartment and office complex on College Street in Wellington CBD, and it's time for a lift tour. Firstly, I'd like to start off with the publicly accessible office lift at 15 College Street, which, of course, as the title says, it's a 2008 Kone monospace with KSS 470 fixtures. At the time of recording in September 2023, Level 4 was locked, but now, currently, in today, Level 4 is unlocked because there's a reception desk for a specific office or something. Level P is a car park for access to one of the apartments, which I'll show you later in the lift tour. Anyways, let's ride this lift. Now that we got our first publicly accessible lift done, now let's get on to the inaccessible ones. Our first inaccessible lift is in the Trinity Apartments. Now I got in here because someone came out of the door and let me in for some reason, so I managed to ride this lift. It's another Kone monospace with KSS 470, and this one goes slightly higher than the publicly accessible one. So this one goes all the way up to level 8, and this one is a completely different style cab. Last thing though, that you can beat the buttons as much as you want. Unlike the other lifts here, you can only beat the button once. How strange how they installed this like this. I mean, I guess this is the oldest lift in this complex, so anyways, let's ride it. Now to our last lift here, which is in the Forte Apartments. I got in the exact same way as Trinity when someone let me in when they came out of the building. This is another Kone Monospace Emerald with KSS 470 fixtures, and this is my first time seeing double digits on KSS 470 since my previous record was only 8 and now it's 11, which is really nice. Like the first lift at 15 College, the buttons only beat once after you press them and you can't beat them again, which is unfortunate, but at least it's really awesome, and you know, it was really fun to ride for me. Obviously my favorite lift here. Anyways, let's ride it. Before I end the video, I'd like to show you a map of like the directory of all the complex, since the floor numbering is like a little bit different in each building. I'd like to show a map so it makes more sense to you. Anyways, here's an image. Thanks for watching, guys.